Midang ba kajala konrat ke sangmau loong ba shong hakibor nong yalam shnong lada kimpat mon ban plie ki jaka jngohkai pyrthei bat kila ban plie pat yaki onda kila sngan haba kli ba ka himasara ka thu ban bu da khanja khardap ban pendunai ka jingwan ki nongwan jngohkai pyrthei loong ba ki bor shnong ki don ka bor bat kila ban petrikam ya ka rai ka jongki haba kran chigla pyrthei ka bor halor ka long kaman ka jingsak ta ka klam covid-19 ulong bak sarkar jila ka kwah baki jaka trekam unplay no bat banwanra ya kalong kaman kumba menchua hakaju upor ulong bala benset haki deputy commissioner kiban pinmi ki kendon banyada bat khangla di khlam covid-19 na ka jing supreme state wala ka jingdon ki bayo pang covid-19 kalanang hiar hakini kisngi.
Second, we had a long meeting also on the COVID situation, and after, of course, seeing that the numbers have come down considerably compared to the last 2 to 3 weeks, we have, of course, opened up a number of activities. So we want more of such activities to be opened up, and at the same time, so that normalcy can return. But at the same time, we are also trying to streamline some of the small areas where some confusions were there in regards to the protocols that have been issued by the health department or by the political or by the DC. So those matters were discussed. So those are micro details. I think the Deputy Commissioner and Chief Secretary's office, once the notifications comes out, those details will be available there. So those were the two main areas of discussion today. So we've been very clear with everybody, whether it's tourism or with schools, that the local authorities will have a lot of power to decide what they want to do. So if a particular village in Sora area or in Gente Hills or Riboy do not desire that tourists should come in, then they can close their tourism sector. There's no problem in that. Similarly, schools also, if they feel that they don't want to open up, nobody's going to force them. What we're trying to do right now is we're trying to open up in a phase-wise manner and give the flexibility to people who would like to, open up, and at the same time allow people who are not very comfortable with things opening up. We're allowing the flexibility for them not to. So if people from Sora or whichever area, I won't take names, since you mentioned it, I'm just mentioning it, but whichever area it may be, it will entirely depend on them, and if the local area people are not comfortable, then they may close the sector for the time being and see and wait when situation improves or when they feel comfortable.